Welcome to Quality Suites Hotel in Copperas Cove. A great accommodations choice near Fort Hood Army Base and so much more. Staying with us opens the door to great amenities and easy access to the very best of what this area has to offer. Points of interest include the Killeen Civic and Conference Center, the Bell County Expo Center, the local campus of Terlaton State University, and Central Texas College. Our indoor pool is a favorite lounging spot for guests who want to unwind from their travels. Be sure to take advantage of the hotel's on-site fitness room. And our beds are chosen with a good night's sleep and bright days in mind. We're near the excitement and recreational opportunities of the Lampappas River too, near Belton Lake and Stillhouse Hollow Lake. So why not visit us? www.qualitysuitescove.com